Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking your iPhone and jumping straight into Settings. Open Settings, then Accessibility, then Display and Text Size. Don't pause. Once there, you'll see options like bold text and reduce transparency, but head straight to the Invert controls. Make sure your side or home button is accessible because we'll assign an accessibility shortcut in the next step. You're doing this now to avoid digging later. The faster you assign the shortcut, the quicker you can toggle inverted colors whenever you need them. You enable Smart Invert right away because it's the only practical way to invert colors without breaking media. Turn Smart Invert on inside display and text size. This inverts UI elements but keeps images and videos natural. Once enabled, return to Accessibility and open Accessibility shortcut. Select Smart Invert so triple-clicking the side or home button toggles it. After assigning, test the shortcut, triple-click quickly, and watch the display flip. If it works, you've created an immediate, repeatable toggle for color inversion. Finish by practicing the toggle and noting behavior across apps. You'll triple-click the side or home button to switch Smart Invert on and off. Make sure you press quickly and consistently. Once done, verify in apps with bright backgrounds and images to confirm it respects media. If the shortcut fails, restart your iPhone and reassign Smart Invert in Accessibility shortcut. Make sure your iOS is current. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings to defaults and reconfigure Smart Invert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.